Alright, let's check the weight of these big boys. Hey, what's up bros? Okay, this video is more like a little update story for you guys. As you saw in my last video, I destroyed my clutch on the track and I had to tow it all the way back from the Czech Republic. The car was fucked, so I ordered a bunch of upgrade parts. So for the clutch I have upgrade parts with Wilwood heavy duty master cylinder, set speed heavy duty CAC and set speed insulated clutch line. Because the oil pressure at low RPM is pretty low, I have to change the oil gallery gaskets with new bolts. And because we open the whole timing chain housing, we redo all the gaskets, O-rings and sealings. We also changed the main timing chain and the camshaft timing change. Also the chain tensioner and the guidings. And we put in a brand new water pump. Also new V-belt, fresh motor oil and gearbox oil. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the install because I can't do this kind of work at my backyard. So I brought the car with the help of good friends from the Z-Nation crew to my workshop of trust, Seifert Performance. Nochmal fettes Danke an Max und Batze.
Hey, was machst du da? Am Radfahren, ja. Komplett am Radfahren. Du schwitzt ja schon. Ja, weiter. Bei mir geht's gerade so. Man-Talk. Ey, Batze, hast du gerade die letzte Clubmade leer gemacht? Also pass gut drauf auf, ne? Ciao.
1, 2, 3 and 4. Count what you have now, don't count what you don't have. 頑張りすぎる自分に疲れてふと泣けてきた真夜中のバスルームでまだ手にしたことのない幸せがどこかにある気がして
Weiter? Ja, passt mit den Haltern. Passt ganz genau. Kommst raus.
First I thought the CAC was broken, but it turned out that the clutch disc exploded in pieces, so I ordered a new competition clutch stage 2. And as I expected, the low oil pressure came from blown out oil gallery gaskets. After we changed them, the oil pressure was good again. Because the AC wasn't working anymore since 2 years or something, we took it out to save some weight. Alright, let's check the weight of these big boys. And the compressor weighs 7.1 kilograms. Okay, next comes the condenser. And that's 2.6 kilograms. There you have it. The whole AC delete is a total weight reduction of 9.7 kilograms.
This is the location where the cleaner compressor is normally located.